लेडीज जो बैठी है 500 रुपए ले रही है, लेडीज जो बैठी है वहाँ पे खालिद कुंज में
पैसे बट रहे हैं उनके पैसे
500 रुपए ले रही है लेडीज।
500 700 जैसे बच्चों और शिफ्ट चेंज होती है इनकी, फिर 12 से इतना इनका टाइम रहेगा। मतलब बंदे कंप्लीट होने चाहिए, मतलब कम नहीं होने चाहिए। जो जैसे 1000 बंदे की गिनती, अगर 1000 के पैसे आए तो वहाँ पे 1000 बंदे रहें।
BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya has courted trouble over a viral video which claimed that the women who were protesting against the CAA at Delhi's Shaheen Bagh were paid Rs 500 per day. Enraged by the allegation, the women at Shaheen Bagh have sent a defamation notice to BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya. The legal notice has demanded an apology and Rs 1 crore in damages from the BJP leader. The two protesters, Nafisa Bano of Sakhir Nagar and Shehzad Fatima of Shaheen Bagh, have sent the notice.
वो लेडीज जो बैठी है 500 रुपए ले रही है, लेडीज जो बैठी है वहाँ पे खालिद कुंज में
पैसे बट रहे हैं उनके पैसे
500 रुपए ले रही है लेडीज।
500 700 जैसे बच्चों और शिफ्ट चेंज होती है इनकी, फिर 12 से इतना इनका टाइम रहेगा। मतलब बंदे कंप्लीट होने चाहिए, मतलब कम नहीं होने चाहिए। जो जैसे 1000 बंदे की गिनती, अगर 1000 के पैसे आए तो वहाँ पे 1000 बंदे रहें।
They have alleged that since Amit Malviya is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, therefore he has a vested interest in defaming the mass of protesters. The protest at Shaheen Bagh has been going on for more than a month against the controversial Citizenship Act and the NRC. The notice alleged that Malviya's actions comprise of an offence under Section 500 of the Indian Penal Code, as the protesters are a readily identifiable group who stand defamed as against the rest of the community. The offence is punishable with up to 2 years of imprisonment and fine. The notice states that Malviya's statement of the protesters being paid was false and could have a negative impact on the national and international community. Meanwhile, as Delhi's Kalindi Kunj Shaheen Bagh stretch continues to be blocked by the protesters, a lawyer has moved the Supreme Court challenging the Delhi High Court's verdict that did not order the removal of traffic restrictions. This as the Delhi police on Monday appealed to protesters at Shaheen Bagh to unblock the road after parents of school children expressed deep anxiety in view of the forthcoming board examinations. How long the protest against the controversial CAA and the NRC continues at the Shaheen Bagh is yet to be seen, with no sign of relenting from the protesters.